Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Seasons, greetings, and all that razzmatazz. Now, welcome to the 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. I'd love to work with you, so why not come over to the calendar at ldlcall.com, book your free call, and let's talk soon about how we can get you up and running and moving forward with the plans that you have in your head. But first, here is today's quote. Be a Rudolph in a world full of dashers. In the race of life, as many people see it, you can easily get lost in the crowd. What will help? Try to stand out from the others in the crowd. Be bright, be bold, and become the Rudolph in this world full of dashers. Show what you can do, how good you can be, and over time, like the others will see, you'll just leave the other reindeers all behind.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.